Hey everybody, how's it going? It's LightningDude42 here, and I'm back again to do another reaction video with you guys. And today, as you can see, I'm kind of a bit happy today because technically today is the last day of school for me. And to celebrate the occasion, we're gonna be reacting to a YTP. We're gonna react to a video called it's a collab, "School's Out Rock" by the famous Emperor Lemon. Also, it's almost been a year since it was uploaded. It was uploaded on July 6th last year. And before I start this reaction, someone did ask me to. Someone requested me to do a Rick and Morty collab. That I will be doing sometime later in the future, maybe when season 3 comes out. There's also many stuff that I want to react to. So yeah. Anyways, first frame we see here, I think, in the intro, a Schoolhouse Rock. Also, this is a Schoolhouse Rock parody. Really, I remember it. It was really awesome. I think TV series, I should say. I remember listening to it when I was little. Anyways, enough talk. Let's get started with the reaction. 3, 2, 1, play.
Body grows bigger, your body grows bigger.
Whoa, okay, that's way too big. Hey, that's from Rick and Morty. Whoa. What? Alright.
Your favorite schoolhouse is The Rock.
The Rock. Oh. I'm playing for this. A YTP collaboration. School's Out Rock. Hey, it's all the Schoolhouse Rock characters.
Hey, Chef, what's a special today?
My new 25 in stock. I'm storing it.
Lots of spaghetti with a side of
Joe. Good videos.
I'm just a bill.
Oh, I remember that song.
Well, I wonder
What Gannon's up?
It's just me.
Keep
Cool.
I'm just a
Oh.
bill.
O'Reilly fucking
Bill Nye.
I'm just a bill.
Bill Nye got.
Billy Mays. And I'm sitting, I can't kill.
Oh.
Listen to those. Marjorie.
Raise
What?
your hand if you would like to
What the hell?
burn to just
Raise your right hand.
What? Is that from To Kill a Mockingbird or something?
let's count.
Oh.
I counted 22.
You stupid.
What? Oh my god! Oh,
No one can count. We're deadlocked again.
Fucking democracy sucks. Fucking dick.
what the? Why?
It's a dictatorship. And I rule with an iron dick. Fucking dick.
Oh.
Sucks.
What the?
Listen to those congressmen and masturbate.
Masturbate? What?
Die.
So, you must die! Whoa.
Now I go to the House of Representatives and I go to
What the
Senate.
Oh no.
Oh yeah. Oh no.
Oh yeah!
Well then I'm off to the White House. Then I'll be alone.
Yeah, savvy. Down.
Goes round the earth.
Boom goes round the earth. Boom
what?
goes round the earth. Boom goes round the earth. Boom goes round the earth. Boom goes round the earth.
Okay, we got it. Oh. Whoa.
I'm gonna kick that football clear to the moon.
Fail. Nice Charlie Brown reference. Hey, I'm Lemon.
I like trains.
Oh, it's conjunction. We love this song. Conjunction function. What?
What's their function?
Ants, butt, or? That's nasty.
And then there's Thor.
Fart. Drinking that shit is savage.
Bread and butter. Jesus Christ.
Jesus.
Nice.
Dirty but happy, digging and scratching.
Oh,
He's poor but honest, sad but true.
hey, it wasn't for me.
Yeah, let's all come to a complete fucking stop. Fucking assholes. Just suck a fucking dick, faggot.
In the morning.
Oh, Falling Switch My Hands. I love that song. Nice Kanye. What? Stop the... Take it, Josh.
Go to hell, faggot.
Never mind, I wouldn't do that. I'm bad enough now.
Hey, that's clever.
Shut the fuck up!
Oh. It's never ogre. Jimmy Davis.
British are British.
The rebel flag is awesome, and the British flag sucks.
What?
It's funny.
Take some on General Washington.
Why would you take a double on General Washington?
Now one British guy said, ho, 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 and some malicious Americans said,
I don't believe in Santa Claus. I'm insane.
Yeah, you are safe. Oh, wow.
So satisfying.
take your gun, take it back. Shoot General Washington.
No, don't shoot
Now
General
that
Washington.
General Washington's dead, the British won the War of Independence.
No, that's not good. What? Make it. Yeah, for kids. Can't be crossing. Oh, 3 is a magic number. Okay, why are there so many rabbit ears coming up?
3
Is it magic? Yes, it is. What? Yeah.
Faith and hope and
John's right.
The heart ain't the body ain't the tongue don't get you. Let the heart for me in the magic number. Magic.
What?
Yeah.
it takes 2 legs to make a little baby.
What?
Every
What?
triangle has 8 angles. Every triangle has 8
Illuminati? No.
have to donate to charity.
Stuck. I'm stuck. Jeez.
Oh, no.
Why do I always have to save? You gotta put your tripod in or behind. What the fuck?
What?
That's not what I was taught.
Let me show you how
Yeah.
to do it.
The wrong way.
3 times 10 is
9/11.
3 times 9 is
Applesauce.
Applesauce.
24.
7 is
21.
Nice.
Numbers.
Numbers.
What is it? 8.
Stop.
Yes, it's 8. And that's a magic number.
School of Rock. What? That's it? Alright, so that was School Out Rock. Really cool poop. Really cool poop. I have to say. So yeah, nice job at Berlin. Let's keep up with the great content. And okay, I think that's about it. I will react to the Rick and Morty YTP collab sometime later in the future. I haven't actually watched. I'm guessing it's good. Alright, until next time, guys. This is LightningDude42 signing off. Goodbye.